I'm back with a video. I'm back with another video. I'm back with a video. And I'm D.
And I'm D.
And
we're
the
the Johnsons.
Well, today, what we have, I have from Buddy Love, I got a seafood boil from him. And I got, let's tell him what you got.
Well, I went and hit Don Juan's up on the west side. I got some ribs, yellow rice, with beans and potatoes. Look at this plate right here. You can't beat Don Juan's. They got the west side locked down. And these ribs are so tender.
Yes, and I have the seafood boil. Shout out to Buddy Love. He's on Facebook. Hit him up. And here's my plate here. It looks so good. And I have crab legs. I got steak, eggs, shrimp, potatoes, broccoli, and corn. And I'm ready to get down.
And also we have our
Mai Tais.
Mai Tais.
Good. All right. So I guess we can begin eating. I'm gonna start with a potato.
Don Juan is good.
But shout out to local here, Buddy Love. Y'all go holler at him. And on the side,
look at these ribs fall right off the bone.
And on the side here, I have some butter, garlic, cayenne pepper, hot sauce. And that's what I'm dipping into. See the garlic at the bottom? Everything looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
They've been doing me some broccoli. That's good.
Look at them beans. I love me some beans.
Shout out to my daughter. She told me to go check out Buddy today. So that's what we did. That's what I did. Donald can't eat seafood, so that's why he didn't get any seafood. But of course your girl did.
I got me some beans and rice. I love me some beans and rice. Some kidney beans.
Got a good flavor to it too.
And they season their food very good.
Yes, he seasoned it good. Buddy
check them out.
Yeah.
And we gotta give a shout out to Buddy there.
Yes,
Buddy Love.
Definitely.
Check them out. Hit them up.
Definitely.
And she got 2 platters, not just 1 platter.
She has specials going on today.
Because today is her born day. How lucky I have me a
Yes, I was
baby.
born today. Today is my birthday. I decided to treat myself. Well, he decided to treat me to a nice seafood.
Oh, it's so good.
It is good. He seasoned everything just right. That's that cayenne pepper I put in that garlic sauce. Got me coughing like that.
Look at that. Fall right off the bone. Can't believe
But I love hot.
we're home alone.
Yes, no
No
grandkids.
grandkids. Wow.
No, it's just us.
This is the first time in a while.
Yeah, just us.
It was a busy day, running around.
Yeah.
I went and chilled with at work today for a couple hours.
I had to work a couple
Took this
hours.
day off from work. I always take this day off.
Yes, he does. Comes
Just
and
for
hangs
her.
out with me. Especially being a Friday.
And it was on a Friday too. And I have a 4-day weekend. No work Monday, holiday. Hey, can't get no better.
Right? Mm.
Look at these ribs.
So good.
Tell me the ribs don't look good. Y'all want a bite?
It's that butter. That butter dripping.
Oh, look at your plate. That plate looks so good. I can't even eat none of it.
Seafood allergies. Should have told him cook the steak separate. Put it on a separate dish. I got my
Really
eggs.
tender.
Eggs are good with seafood too.
The steak look good. I was tempted to bite that steak, but I said I better not. I'll be in trouble.
I've been wanting a seafood boil for a while now, so And he was doing special today for the Valentine's holiday. So
And you can't beat that price. What you paid for that?
No.
You can't.
It's reasonable.
Look at that. That's a lot.
You get 2 platters. You got a special 2 platters for $50. So you can't beat that, even if you go.
Oh, it's 2 for 50?
You get 2 for 50. Even if you go, you know, to the other place, to Chinese place, you don't get this much.
God support your local people that's trying.
Yes.
Help them out.
Help a brother
They got
out.
good food. Help them out. Nothing wrong with that. Showing our love.
Showing our love to our people. Eggs are good.
Got a lot of juice in here. Hook me up. Every time I go to Don Juan's. No, he hooked me up. Look at this. Can't beat this. I got this in 2 empanadas, beef empanadas with cheese. Yo, they was good. I ate those earlier.
Good. My son bought this for me. He treated me to that. Shout out to DJ.
Make sure y'all give us thumbs up and hit that like button.
Like this video?
Share, share, share.
Everywhere.
And make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment in the box for us. Let us know what you think. Appreciate it. Oh, these ribs, this sausage. Look at this rib. Anybody want to bite, taste this? Look at this. Yo, they food banging.
The food is really good too.
Hope everybody had a good day, wonderful day. What are we gonna do later on tonight?
I don't know. I don't know.
Some grandkids are not here. Well, I go pick up one after the basketball game. She went to the basketball game. I had to drop her off. But right now we're home alone, chilling.
She trying to go somewhere over her friend's house.
No,
She said she don't want to be with us old people.
no.
I said, it's all right. I know I'm quiet tonight. When I tell you this is good, seafood is good. I end up going back upstairs to get a fork. I don't even need a fork.
Yo, he gave me mad ribs. I was like, give me the rest of the ribs. He gave them to me. Can't be in the sauce. Sauce got a sweet taste to it. I like it. I'm telling you, I like potatoes. Put some potatoes in there. I want some beans here now. Can't beat it. Right across the street from wifey's job. They hooked me up. How the broccoli?
It's good. She seasoned everything really good. Everything is seasoned like so good.
And we're going to give him a shout out on Facebook. Tell him the food is very good.
It is good. And he's seasoned like everything like perfect. Like the steak.
Yeah.
That's right.
Steak look good.
It's good. Nice and tender. That's how I like it. I don't like my steak real hard, chewy. It's nice and tender.
Yep.
Really good taste to it.
It's a good.
much cayenne pepper
Hmm?
in this butter sauce. It's hot.
It's hot.
But I like it hot.
You gotta try your sauce you got from
Be
what's that
Love.
lady?
Yeah, I got my Be
We're gonna
Love
try that
sauce.
sauce.
I should have made something to go with this. But I have another two platters upstairs. I might make it for tomorrow and make the sauce, her Be Love sauce with it.
Brother did a good job.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta give him a shout out.
He did an excellent job.
Make sure y'all check out Buddy. Buddy Love.
Buddy Love. Buddy on Facebook.
Buddy on Facebook. Check
When
him
I
out.
tell you it's worth the money, it's worth the money.
It's worth it. Food is good. She love it. She enjoying it.
Everything is seasoned. So. Put my order in. Tell them what time I was going to pick it up. Picked it up. Boom. Everything ready.
Yep.
Brought it out.
Brother did a good job.
Brought it out to the car.
Brought it right out to the car.
Yep. Yep.
You know, you gotta support one another.
Yeah, for sure. We
Y'all
really
here
do.
trying. Gotta support him.
He's doing his thing. He's doing his thing. So.
Can't beat the price either.
Yeah, you can't.
Get your money worth. Everybody know about Don Juan. Nobody can beat them guys. They got the West on lock.
I see you over there.
Y'all see what I'm doing. I had to give myself an extra shot of Captain.
I see you over there.
Cause we gonna go out. I don't know. We gonna go out tonight and
What?
turn it up. Turn up for what? We gonna turn it up. We always have a good time when we go out.
Yeah, we do. We be in our own zone.
Hope our kids are enjoying their day. Evelyn,
And
DJ, and JD. Hope y'all enjoying y'all day.
it's also
And Bree.
my
enjoy
daughter-in-law's
it.
birthday too.
Oh, yep.
So my daughter-in-law's birthday is today too. Same with mine.
Bree, enjoy your day. Enjoy y'all trip
Y'all
to
weekend.
Canada. Enjoy.
Enjoy y'all weekend.
Look at this. I'm hungry. I ate all day. No, I ate today. It's just some oodles and noodles.
Oh yeah, we had them earlier, way earlier. In the empanada.
And after now.
Empanada.
Yeah. Look at this.
It's sweet.
Yes, it's
It's
real.
that sweet corn. It's so good.
And I can't even taste none of it, huh? I love corn on the cob. I better not mess with it.
And it's sweet. I love sweet corn.
Can't beat this. This is good.
I'm getting full.
I'm not. We want everybody to do this though. Like our video. And leave a comment in the box for us. And what else?
Share everywhere.
Share everywhere. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe.
And hit that notification bell.
Hit that
so
notification
you
bell.
can know when we drop a video.
When we drop another video, we'll be dropping another one.
Oh, let's tell them what happened.
Oh.
So last Saturday, we did the Buffalo Wild Wings challenge. And we had the blazing hot wings. And we
Blazing.
wanted to see who could eat. We had like 5 each. And see who could eat them. Of course, Pug tapped out.
And I tapped out next. I was like,
tapped
I
out.
quit.
Baby DJ, little DJ, he ate his
ate-
5. He
he
ate his
ate-
5. It took him a little while to eat it, but he ate his 5. And y'all know who the winner was. It was me.
Yo,
I ate all 5. It was hot. Those wings.
who can eat something that hot?
It was ridiculous how hot those wings were.
I took a bite.
But the thing is that they were really hot, but they were really good.
Wings was hot. See why they got the.
I think
Man.
you took 1 bite and that was it.
I took
You
one bite and chewed 3 times. I quit.
And that was it. It was good. They were good though.
Yeah, but I don't know how nobody can eat that.
Yeah.
That's too
That was too hot. And then the thing is, we lost all the footage. We lost the whole video.
Yep, lost the whole video.
Lost the whole video. I don't know what happened, but we lost the whole footage. Talk about mad.
It was heated. That's why we
it
do
was
a video yet
video
for
too,
a while.
because it was our honest reaction to those hot wings.
Yeah.
But we lost all the footage.
It's not the same. We do it again.
No, it's not gonna be the same.
Who was her cousin? Eyes nearly popped out her head.
Yeah, Teresa. She was in the video with us too. Yes. Oh, her reaction was funny too. But yeah. But
Come on, don't let it touch your lip. Man, that John touched my lip. I was on fire. What we had?
we had
Water.
Yeah, we had water, ice cream, and what else?
Orange juice.
No, you can't drink orange juice.
What was that drink we had?
What's that? Yeah, it was some kind of orange drink we had. I don't know, but no.
I had my lips soaked in the ice cream. They were so damn hot.
Yeah, they
I
were
want to
hot.
do that again.
Yeah, it was hot. But yeah. Full, and I still have crab legs left. I still got corn left. Broccoli, potatoes. I still got more steak left.
Not much.
Oh, what it was, I think, you know how you're so hungry and then you eat so fast and then you get full.
Yeah.
But it was good. But I think that's what I'm gonna do. I saved the other 2 platters for tomorrow, and I'll try the beloved sauce.
So that's 2 platters right there.
Yeah, that was 2 platters. Yep.
That's
And
a
crab
lot.
legs. Yeah, it's a lot.
That's a lot, though.
Mm-hmm. It was 2 platters. And the price is so reasonable.
Yeah.
Because you would pay that much. You would pay more if you go somewhere else and you get less.
Yep.
You would get less.
So we hope this video uploads tonight for us.
Yeah.
Hope everything's all right tonight.
I know, yeah. Hopefully everything uploads good.
That was good.
Yeah, it was good. But all right. So
Take a sip of my drink. Well, hope everybody enjoyed our video.
have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend. Be
Have
safe
a good
out
rest
there.
Of the day.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy your night. And don't forget to share.
Everywhere.
And
Thumbs up the video.
thumbs up our video.
And
Like it. And leave a comment for us.
And subscribe.
And we'll think about another challenge we can do.
Yeah, we'll try.
But
Try another one.
we'll try another one. I don't know about the hot wings. They can do that part. I'm not messing with that.
I know, right? All right. Peace.
Peace.